This tutorial is for first grade, Module 4, Lesson 24. In this lesson, we're going to show that when we're adding two-digit numbers, one strategy we can use is breaking apart one number into tens and ones, adding the tens, and then adding the ones. If we look at our first example, we're adding 14 plus 13. We used a number bond to break 13 into a 10 and a 3. We're going to start by adding 14 plus 10, and you can see we've done that in our number sentence here. 14 plus 10 is 24. And then we're going to add the ones. We're going to add our 3 to the 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. That means 14 plus 13 is 27. Going across, I'm going to add 13 plus 24. And again, I've broken the 13 down into 10 and 3. We'll start by adding our 10. 24 plus 10 is 34. And now to 34, we'll add our 3. 34 plus 3 is 37. So we're working off of the strategy of adding 10 to a number, which increases the number of tens, and then adding the ones to that same number to get our final answer. So 13 plus 24 is 37. Here are a couple more examples. This time I'm adding 15 plus 15. So I've taken the first 15 and I've used a number bond to break the 15 into 10 and 5. So I'm going to start by adding my 10 to 15. So 15 plus 10 equals 25. Now we're going to take that 25 and show how we add the ones to 25. So now I have to add 5. 25 plus 5 equals 30. That tells me that 15 plus 15 equals 30. Another example, I'm adding 15 to 25. Again, we'll break the 15 into 10 and 5. I'll start by adding my tens to the next number. So 25 plus 10 is 35. Take that 35, and now we'll add the ones. So now we're adding the 5. 35 plus 5 is 40. That means that 15 plus 25 equals 40. Let's look at two more examples here. I have 16 plus 14, so I'll decompose the 14 into 10 and 4. And I'll start off by adding the 10 to the first addend. 16 plus 10 is 26, and I'm going to take that 26 and now add in the ones. So now I'll add the 4 to 26 and I'll get 30. That tells me that 16 plus 14 equals 30. And one more example. Now I'm adding 14 to 26. Decompose the 14 into 10 and 4 again. Start by adding my 10 to the second addend. 26 plus 10 is 36. I'll take my 36 and now I'll add the ones. 36 plus 4 equals 40. So 14 plus 26 equals 40. So we're showing the students that we can use the separate place values, the tens and the ones, to do the addition in these two-digit numbers.